Hello, friends. If you're on Social Security or Medicare right now, I need you to stay with me until the end of this video, because what I'm about to share could save you hundreds, and in some cases, thousands of dollars every single year. And I mean real money, not the kind of savings where you clip coupons and feel good about 50 cents off a can of soup. I'm talking about major recurring bills that you are paying every month that you legally don't have to pay at all. Here's the thing most people never find out. A huge number of American seniors are quietly overpaying on bills that the government is supposed to cover for them. Not because they did anything wrong, not because they don't qualify, just because nobody ever told them the programs exist. The money is sitting there. The applications are waiting. And every month that goes by without filing is another month of overpaying for something that should already be taken care of. My name is Joshua Boss, and this is Senior Benefits Decoded, where we make government benefits simple. I went through federal law, Medicare guidelines, and everything that changed in 2026, and I found 5 specific bills that millions of seniors are paying right now when they legally don't have to. I'll walk through each one, tell you exactly who qualifies, what the numbers look like, and what to do about it. Stay until the end because number 5 is the one almost nobody talks about. And for homeowners, it could be the biggest of all. Real quick before we get into it, if you're not subscribed to Senior Benefits Decoded yet, hit that button right now and turn on notifications. The rules around Medicare and Social Security change every single year. Income limits shift. New programs open up. Old ones get updated. Deadlines come and go. I cover all of that in plain English, so you always know what you're actually entitled to before it's too late to act on it. The people who are subscribed stay ahead of this stuff. The people who aren't tend to find out too late. So subscribe now and let's get into it. Bill number 1, the $202.90 Medicare Part B premium. Every single month, that amount gets pulled directly out of your Social Security check. Most people just accept it, never question it, never look into whether it has to be that way. What they don't know is that there are federal programs called Medicare Savings Programs that will pay that premium for you completely every month through your state Medicaid office. There are 3 tiers depending on your income level. The most comprehensive one is called QMB, Qualified Medicare Beneficiary, and it doesn't just cover the Part B premium. It covers your deductibles, your co-payments, your coinsurance. Basically, everything Medicare would normally ask you to pay out of pocket gone, covered by the state on your behalf. If you're single with a monthly income under about $1,350 or under $1,824 as a married couple, you very likely qualify for QMB. If your income is a little higher, up to around $1,816 a month as a single person, there are 2 other programs, SLMB and QI, that will at minimum eliminate that $202.90 monthly charge entirely. The reason millions of people don't have this is simply that you have to apply. It doesn't happen on its own. It's not automatic. Nobody enrolls you. You have to go find it. Call 1-800-MEDICARE or go to medicare.gov to locate your state's Medicaid office and get that application in. Bill number 2 is prescription drug costs. A lot of people think, I've got Part D, I'm covered, I'm good. But covered and free are 2 very different things. There's a federal program called Extra Help, sometimes called the Low-Income Subsidy. And if you qualify for it, your prescription situation looks completely different. No Part D premium, no annual deductible, and the most you would ever pay for a covered medication is $5.10 for a generic, or $12.65 for a brand-name drug per prescription. That's the ceiling. Compare that to what people without this program are paying. $50, $80, sometimes over $100 a month for a single medication. And you start to see how much money gets left on the table year after year. The income cutoff for extra help in 2026 is about $23,940 a year for a single person, which is roughly $2,000 a month. Now, here's a shortcut a lot of people don't know about. If you already got approved for any of the Medicare savings programs I just described, you are automatically enrolled in Extra Help. No separate application. It just kicks in. If you haven't done either yet, apply through Social Security at ssa.gov or call 1-800-727-1213. Number 3, heating and cooling bills. Energy costs in 2026 are genuinely rough right now. Home heating is up nearly 9% over last year, and electricity is up over 12% in a lot of parts of the country. For anyone on a fixed income, that's not just uncomfortable. It's a real financial hit month after month. What most people don't know is there's a federal program called LIHEAP, the Low-Income Home Energy Assistance Program, and it pays your utility company directly. Not a coupon, not a discount percentage off your bill. An actual payment made directly to your gas or electric provider on your behalf. Income limits vary by state, but if you're a single person bringing in around $22,000 a year or less, there's a strong chance you qualify. And here's something that matters specifically for seniors. If you're 60 or older, you get priority access. In most states, you can apply a full month before the general public opens up. And that makes a real difference because LIHEAP is first come, first served. Once the funding for the year runs out, it's gone until the next cycle. There's also a connected program called the Weatherization Assistance Program that will actually send someone to your home to insulate it, seal up drafts, and repair or replace your heating equipment, all at no cost, in a way that permanently lowers your energy bills long term. To find your local LIHEAP office, just dial 211. That's the National Social Services line, and they'll point you exactly where to go. Bill number 4 catches a lot of people off guard, and it involves a Medicare surcharge most people have never even heard of. It's called IRMAA, Income-Related Monthly Adjustment Amount. If your income was above $103,000 as a single filer in a previous year, Medicare doesn't charge you the standard rate. They charge you anywhere from $284 to $689 a month for Part B alone, deducted automatically from your Social Security. A lot of people see a smaller deposit and just assume that's how it is. Here's what makes this particularly unfair for retirees. Medicare uses your tax return from 2 years ago. So if you retired last year, sold a property, did a Roth IRA conversion, or had any kind of one-time income event that temporarily bumped up your earnings, you could be paying a massive surcharge right now based on money you no longer have and no longer earn. And the fix almost nobody takes. You can appeal it. There's a specific form called SSA 44 that exists exactly for this situation. For people who've gone through a life-changing event like retirement, loss of income, death of a spouse, or reduction in work hours, you file the form, show what your income actually looks like now, and the surcharge gets reduced or completely eliminated. People are getting $2, $3, even $400 a month back by doing this one thing. You can download SSA 44 directly at ssa.gov or pick it up at any Social Security office. And bill number 5, property taxes. If you own your home and you're 65 or older, I want you to think about the last time your county government sent you any kind of letter explaining your rights as a senior homeowner around property taxes. For most people watching this, that letter never came. And yet nearly every state in the country has programs. Senior property tax exemptions, senior freezes, circuit breaker credits that can reduce the taxable value of your home, cap your bill so it can't keep climbing year after year, or in some cases, wipe out a portion of your property tax entirely. We're talking anywhere from a few hundred to several thousand in savings every single year. The catch is always the same thing. You have to apply for it yourself. Nobody does this for you. The county assessor does not reach out when you turn 65 and say, "Here's your exemption." You have to know to ask. Just search your county name and Senior Property Tax Exemption 2026. Or call your county assessor's office directly and ask what programs are available for seniors in your area. One phone call, that's it. And those savings can follow you for as long as you own that home. So let's bring it all together, 5 bills. The $202.90 Medicare Part B premium that savings programs can eliminate completely. Prescription drug costs that extra help brings down to almost nothing. Energy bills that LIHEAP pays directly to your utility company. The IRMAA surcharge that you can appeal and remove with Form SSA-44. And property taxes, where senior exemptions exist in nearly every state, but only take effect when you apply. None of these programs come looking for you. You have to know they're there and take one step to claim them. That step is genuinely the only thing standing between you and the money. If this video helped you, please subscribe to Senior Benefits Decoded and pass it along to someone you know who's on Medicare or Social Security, a parent, a neighbor, a friend. One conversation can change someone's financial situation for years. Until next time, this is Joshua Boss. Take care of yourself and take care of your benefits. I'll see you in the next one.